Hello viewers. Today with Team Donovan, we're going to be taking a look at a product review of the Ryobi 40 volt 550 CFM leaf blower. I've used Ryobi products in the past, and it's that time of year where I need to pick up my leaves, so let's try this out. Extremely lightweight, the nozzle. It looks to line up here. Yes, there we go. Took a little bit of effort, but got it. Now I picked the 40 volt 550s because some of the ones that didn't have such a high CFM, and were 18 volt. I was a little worried that they wouldn't actually. There's a battery. I was a little worried that they wouldn't actually do the job that I needed. Some of the reviews indicated it was good for pavement, stuff like that, but not the actual yard, which is why I want it. Or one of the major reasons, at least. There we go. Now, I can almost guarantee you it needs charge before I use it. But we're just going to try it out anyways. And it looks to just slide on. It's got to release to remove it, so that's easy. It's lightweight, minus the battery. Pretty quiet. It looks like there's a little charge, so let's take a look. We'll actually start with just the driveway, just to see how that works. Okay, I have some light debris, and let's see if we can actually take care of it. I'm gonna say yes. Took care of it really good. Good, because I was tired of using a broom to clean up the yard. Now let's check what it does on my backyard. Let's see if it's time to really say goodbye to my rake. I'd say it is time to get rid of that rake. It seems to be doing a pretty good job of getting these leaves out of here. I don't know if a slightly weaker leaf blower would do so, but this one certainly does. The grip, I enjoy it. It doesn't hurt my wrist. It's not too heavy, and pretty simple. I give it a thumbs up. So if you're like me and you're tired of the leaves, pick yourself up by Ryobi. All right. Have a good day. Slight update. I've now charged the battery all the way, and now when I use it, the power is that much better. And even better by than I thought.